Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a license plate to the Parker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then click on the settings button next to the search bar at the top of the screen on the left side. And then at the top of the screen, you can see this license plate section. So if you would like to add your own, tap on the plus icon below. Then you should type in your license plate number, then select the vehicle by tapping on the select vehicle button, car, van, motorcycle, truck or bus. And then select your country by tapping on it and selecting it. Then you should set it as your default license plate and click on the save button down below, and then it will be added to the license plates section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.